Two levels of filtering, a quick search bar and an advanced filter panel. Both work together and update the preview in real time. Start with the filter scope. Type in the search bar. And matching records filter instantly, up to 50 characters. The counter turns orange at 40 to warn you and red at 50 when you hit the limit. Clear the bar to restore all records. The advanced filter panel sits below the search bar. Click Add Filter and a rule row appears. Choose a property from the dropdown. All fields from your fetched data are listed. Then choose an operator. Click Explore in the center toolbar. The view switches from your report to a flat list of every field path available in your fetched data. No nesting, no collapsing, everything visible at once so you can see all available paths. The search box filters paths instantly. Click the copy icon next to any path and paste it directly into input field. The Raw tab shows the complete JSON response one record at a time. Type in the search box. And all matches highlight in yellow, the current focus match highlights in orange. Copy grabs the full JSON. Previous and next let you page through all your fetched records.